What is an online scam and how does it work in practice?
An online scam is any attempt to deceive someone on the internet to obtain money, data, or access. It relies more on manipulation than on advanced technology. That is precisely why it often goes unnoticed.
The first step is gaining your attention and trust.
Everything starts with an unexpected message, ad, or contact. The scammer creates a context that seems normal or urgent. When you get emotionally involved, it becomes easier to let your guard down. How urgency and fear come into play. Many scams use haste or threats to force quick decisions. Warnings about problems, losses, or limited opportunities reduce the time to think. This is one of the key points in how the scam works. The role of social engineering in practice.
Social engineering is the technique of manipulating people so they act against their own interests.
It works like someone convincing another person just through conversation. In the digital world, this happens through well-crafted texts, audios, or images.
When the request seems too simple.
After gaining trust, the request comes: click, confirm, send, or pay something.
It is usually something small that seems harmless. This step opens the way to greater losses. Why so many people fall for it even when being careful? Scams exploit distraction, routine, and information overload. No one is alert all the time.
It only takes a moment of inattention for the scam to work as planned.
Common signs that help identify a scam. Subtle errors, unusual requests, and pressure for a quick response are frequent warnings.
Offers that are too good to be true also deserve suspicion. The more emotion involved, the greater the care required.
In summary, online scams use deception, trust, and urgency to work. Understanding the process helps recognize traps before the damage occurs. Have you ever received a message that seemed strange but almost convinced you?